sorry. I'm sorry for the way that I've been acting. You know it's hard to be everything that everyone wants me to be. You know I'm working on it. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm giving it a real good try. Back in '93, I decided I could be most anything. Living wild and free, strumming hard as I could on those guitar strings. Yeah, I'm working on it. Every day I'm working on it, giving it a real good try. Yeah, I'm working on it, working hard on it. So baby, don't worry your mind. When I feel like giving up, it's so nice to have you by my side, baby. These times they do get rough, but when it ain't enough just to be satisfied, and I'm working on it.